I have lots of monkey grass growing all over my yard. I want to create a monkey grass free bed. How long must I wait after killing the monkey grass and digging up the roots before I can put in new plants? What type of barrier should I use around a flower bed to keep monkey grass out? This is Lenny from St. Louis, Missouri. Oh boy.
This one made me think about all of the liriope that I have growing in random places in my yard.
Oh, so you have? Okay.
Yes, yeah.
All right.
I think that anybody who has a home that had any landscaping done in the 80s or 90s was required to have liriope.
That sounds so true.
Yeah.
That sounds so true. Wow. So look, we don't know what he used, to try to kill it or whatever the case may be. But I'll tell you this: you better dig deep.
Right.
You better get all the roots.
Yeah.
All right.
So good storage in those, underground structures, and so it's going to make it hard to get good, fast kill on anything.
Yeah.
Physical measures.
Physical measures
may come into play.
It may come into play. You got that right. Yeah. So depending on what he used or whatever he did, we don't know how long it's going to take. We don't know what time of the year he did that. Whatever the case may be.
Season, right?
Right. Yeah.
Whether the plant is, how it's actively translocating. There's lots of factors.
Yeah, we don't know that. But again, I'm just going to go back to it because I've done this. This is an experience for me. Just digging, trying to get it out and get out of the root system. Now, as far as a barrier,
I would be hesitant to suggest anything because I just feel that it would have a lower chance of success.
No edging, I know, would do the trick.
Yeah.
Concrete footers? No.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, it would need to be deep. It would need to be essentially impermeable. It would be tough.
It'd be tough. Yeah. It's almost like talking about bamboo.
Right.
So I don't know any type of physical barrier.
I think removal.
Yeah, removal.
Yeah.
Right. Just removal.
Yeah.
So, Letty, you're gonna have your work cut out for you. Yeah. So sharpen that shovel up and just get all of the root system up as you possibly can. Right. And maybe consider something else.
Yeah, it's good exercise. We should say that there are different liriope species, some are more aggressive, shall we say?
Right. Some are more aggressive.
Others. So
Yeah. Your clump form may stay there. Some might run away from you.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be work. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.